What do you think? How important is mental fitness for to be able to handle the physical fitness?
So I think for me, it was everything together: mental, physical, social, financial. All four were really challenging for all of us. And I feel we need to ask for help if you're struggling mentally. That's how you can improve your physical health. If you are struggling mentally, you can't be physically
Physically
healthy.
healthy.
And in our culture, I think a lot of people, they don't understand what is mental sickness. They feel, oh, ये तो ऐसे ही बोल रहा है, ये तो ऐसे ही
Hmm.
बोल रहा है. You should not think about it. You should move on.
Ah,
And
you
I've
should be
heard
more
this thing.
positive. You should be
I've heard
more
this thing. Yeah, why are you
optimistic.
going back to that time? I don't want to think about that time. Just move
Yeah,
on. Like, that's fine. Every person is different.
yeah,
Every person thinking is different. For me, the more I have talked about my journey, the more I have healed myself. That's what I
yeah.
feel. जितना मैंने अपनी जर्नी के बारे में बात किया, उतना ही मैंने अपने आप को हील किया है मेंटली. And I
Hmm.
asked for help because I was struggling mentally.
I think very, very rarely people ask for help
Hmm.
during the toughest of physical fitness. बिकॉज आई थिंक वो कहते हैं कि फिजिकल को ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस दो कि आपकी कैंसर है, आपको
हाँ.
ब्रेस्ट कैंसर है, आपको लंग से रिलेटेड कोई प्रॉब्लम है, किडनी से, उसको ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस दो ताकि मेंटल से.
हाँ.
बट आई फील इज इफ यू आर नॉट मेंटली स्ट्रांग तो
No.
आपके उतने ही नेगेटिव सेल्फ
हाँ.
टॉक निकलेगा एंड उतना ही आपका फिजिकल जो इलनेस है वो लेट
Late.
हील होगी.
हाँ. Imagine you're sitting, right?
या
Physically, you're not fit to walk or do anything, right?
या
And mentally, आप बार बार उस चीज़ को सोच रहे हो. तो वो
एग्री.
आप कैसे इम्प्रूव करोगे?
यू कांट.
जब तक आप मेंटली नहीं सोचोगे कि मैं ठीक हो सकती हूँ या मैं ठीक हो सकता हूँ, आई कैन मूव, आई कैन डू इट, तभी तो आप ठीक होगे ना. अगर आप बस ये सोचोगे कि यार नहीं हो पाएगा, नहीं हो पाएगा, तो कैसे होगा? एंड आई फील दैट वाज़ गोइंग इन माय माइंड एवरी टाइम. आई थिंक देयर वर टाइम्स व्हेन आई वाज़ थिंकिंग कि नहीं, मुझे ठीक होना है अपनी फैमिली के लिए. मुझे लड़ना है इससे. आई नीड टू कम बैक.
राइट.
तो और वो भी सिर्फ स्ट्रेंथ क्योंकि मेरी फैमिली थी. एंड देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल जिनके पास ये सपोर्ट भी नहीं है. इंडिया में तो फिर भी वी हैव लॉट ऑफ सपोर्ट.
यस.
ट्रस्ट मी गरिमा, आई हैव सीन पीपल ओवर देयर कमिंग टू द कीमो रूम्स अलोन, ड्राइविंग अलोन.
Because maybe because other person has to work and get the living
यस.
done.
वहाँ का कल्चर इज डिफरेंट, यहाँ का
Different.
कल्चर इज डिफरेंट, बट यहाँ पे इतना सपोर्ट होने के बावजूद द पर्सन इज स्ट्रगलिंग मेंटली. व्हाई? बिकॉज वी डोंट टॉक, वी डोंट शेयर इमोशंस, वी डोंट आस्क फॉर हेल्प.
Yeah.
लोगों को लगता है अगर मैंने उससे पूछ लिया तो मैं वल्नरेबल हो जाऊंगा. पीपल विल
Hmm.
फील कि सिंपैथी देंगे, तो ये करेंगे, वो करेंगे, बेचारा कहेंगे एंड ऑल दैट.
And I think कहते भी है ना,
एंड
now
दैट्स
they
व्हाट.
start looking you
No.
from another eye.
Yeah, that's what. I don't want to be a bichara in front of you. I'm telling you my story because I want to help someone
Help
out there.
someone, yes.
मेरी मेरी स्टोरी से अगर एक को भी हेल्प मिल रही है ना, that's making me,
Yes.
you know,
Right.
that's giving me that positive attitude towards life. And I feel for me, I got this second life.
Yeah.
सबको नहीं मिलती है.
I
I
agree.
got this second life because of my brother, and I want to make it useful for others.
Yeah.
शायद इसीलिए मिली है ताकि I can help someone out there.
So you said stem cells me you got from your brother. So what all your brother had to been
So
through?
that's also a very good question. So when doctors told us that your brother is a match, so he did some blood work. They did some blood work on him, and I
Yeah.
don't know what medical testing was done, but it was through blood work, blood transfusion, blood work, and it came perfect. And then uske baad, I remember my mom, she's like, "Isko koi side effects to nahi honge."
Obviously. It
Obviously,
comes to
because
mind, yeah.
our parents and we don't have knowledge. I had no
Yeah.
knowledge about कि stem cell कैसे होता है,
Agree.
transplant कैसे होता है, but I think there have been so much of medical advancement that everything is done so nicely in that way that it's non-invasive right now. So testing was done, and then before my stem cell, he was admitted to the hospital for I think 24 hours or 48 hours because it was COVID, so we were in a separate room.
Yes.
And then from one side they were taking out the blood, and from other side they were taking out the stem cell. So I think the mechanical thing was there, the medical advancement jo bhi tha, so it was through blood transfusion. And then that whole stem cell thing was given to me through my CVC line, the port line.
हाँ,
So I think that was there. I think 24 hours, 48 hours when he was admitted, उसको booster injections दिए जाते थे to build his immune system.
हम्म,
तो वो दिए गए थे. I think he said that he was in pain for like 24 hours और ऐसा कुछ था. But other than that, he's perfectly fine. I think that's the thing. We don't have knowledge about it.
yeah,
And abhi recently I did a video for a Gurudwara over there.
okay,
There was a guy who was 60, 65 plus and he was looking for stem cell donor. कई बार होता है कि अगर आपको डोनर चाहिए तो आपकी खुद की कम्युनिटी से हो या कलर से हो तो वो ज़्यादा इफेक्ट
अच्छा
करता है.
मैच है,
सो दे वर लुकिंग फॉर साउथ एशियन पर्सन. तो वहाँ पे एक स्टडी में निकला कि ओनली 8% ऑफ द साउथ एशियन पॉपुलेशन हैज़ डोनेटेड देयर स्टेम सेल्स. And so they wanted to spread awareness about stem cell. So they wanted my journey to be out because I am a living example
yeah,
that I had a stem cell donor. He was my brother, my color, and now I am perfectly fine.
right,
Right? So that's how you can spread awareness. So I think a lot of people, they don't know how you can save someone's life by just donating your stem cells. And India
yeah,
में a lot of people, they don't donate their stem cells, I guess. Over there वहाँ पे option दिया जाता है when a kid is born.
yes, preservation का भी
हाँ, so
है,
my brother's stem cell were so nice that they have actually preserved it for 10 another years. कि God forbid अगर मेरा relapse होता है तो they have this stem cell
stem cell
prepared.
prepare, yeah.
Yeah.
In India में stem cell preservation started, but then everybody has so much of मतलब जब baby होता है then they say ना they
God,
preserve
हाँ.
the cord and everything, but then still अभी भी बहुत सारे लोग नहीं कराते हैं thinking it's very expensive and what if it's needed or if it's not needed, and how nicely they are preparing, still that कहते हैं ना it's not trustworthy. उस चक्कर में still a lot
हो
of
सकता
people
है
are
बिकॉज कनाडा में देयर इज अ कैनेडियन ब्लड सर्विसेज ऑर्गेनाइजेशन
हाँ,
जहाँ पे लोग आई थिंक मंथली कुछ तो एक होता है उनका आई डोंट नो द डेट्स बट दे आस्क पीपल टू कम एंड डोनेट देयर स्टेम सेल
हाँ,
especially on those days so they have it saved because
हम्म,
जब भी for for example like अगर मेरा भाई नहीं होता right I was a single kid so they could have gone to the global system जहाँ पे ये
Right.
donor ढूंढते
हाँ,
because of my case stage 4 6 महीने भी लग सकते थे 8 महीने भी लग सकते
agree,
थे and I could
agree.
have died easily तो I think वो इसलिए बट था क्योंकि मेरा भाई था तो I had my stem cell donor but a lot of people they don't have
And
so I
yes,
think why that person has to go through all these things अगर easily available हो सकता है तो why not and
I know,
think
yeah.
about this that थोड़ा सा आपका stem cell could actually give
Actually,
that
life
person a
to save.
life
Yes.
so बाहर यूएस कनाडा में तो इट्स वेरी लाइक स्टेम सेल ड्राइव्स होती है सब कुछ होता है पीपल डू डू दैट आई थिंक इंडिया में इट्स वेरी लेस
It's very less.
क्योंकि
Yeah.
एजुकेशन ही नहीं है कोई बात ही नहीं करता है एंड सबके माइंड में ये भी है ओ कहीं इसके स्टेम सेल दे दिए तो उसकी हेल्थ को
उसकी
प्रॉब्लम हो
हेल्थ को
जाएगी
प्रॉब्लम,
लॉन्ग
आई
टर्म
थिंक
साइड
ये
इफेक्ट्स
सबसे
होंगे
ज्यादा है, ये सबसे ज्यादा है.
लॉन्ग टर्म साइड इफेक्ट्स होंगे
कुछ ना कुछ आज नहीं तो बाद में तो निकल
हाँ
के आएगा ही साइड
हाँ
इफेक्ट,
हाँ
ये बहुत ज्यादा है इंडिया
हाँ
में.